In today's digital landscape, the importance of a website ranking well on both desktop and mobile platforms cannot be overstated. With the majority of online searches now performed on mobile devices, search engines like Google are prioritizing mobile optimization in their search results. This shift is driven by the increasing trend of people seeking information on the go, necessitating quick and easily accessible results. Understanding and optimizing the 4 key areas of website success, performance, accessibility, best practices, and SEO, are vital for a website to achieve high rankings on both desktop and mobile platforms. Google's growing preference for websites that perform well on mobile devices means that even if your website ranks well on desktop searches, it might not maintain the same visibility in mobile search results if it's not optimized for mobile. The imminent rollout of Google's Mobile First Index, prioritizing mobile-friendly sites for all search rankings due to their quicker load times and more efficient information delivery, further underscores this necessity. This is where Next Level DFY stands out from other companies. We specialize in ensuring that your website is fully optimized for both mobile and desktop searches. Our team focuses on maintaining consistent rankings across all platforms with our comprehensive done-for-you approach. By prioritizing mobile responsiveness and diligently working on performance, accessibility, best practices, and SEO, we make sure that your business is not only competitive, but also maintains a prominent online presence in the ever-evolving digital world. Therefore, a mobile-friendly website is no longer just a convenient option, but a critical requirement, even if not all your customers are searching on smartphones. The gap between a mobile-optimized site and a desktop-only site can significantly influence your online visibility, potentially leading to top search rankings, or conversely, losing ground to competitors. With Next Level DFY, you can rest assured that your website will be consistently optimized and maintained, keeping you at the forefront of digital excellence. Let's turn your digital aspirations into tangible successes, ensuring your business not only thrives, but leads in the competitive online world.